Hi there, welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn how to make a guru product in WooCommerce. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me to make this type of helpful WordPress video for WordPress learners and WordPress users as well. Okay, let's get started. Very fast, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is my e-commerce website and currently I visit a group product page. Actually it looks like a simple product, but it's a group product. The product name is liquid lipstick, and in left side you can see this is the product main product image, and I have added the lipstick, the same lipstick in different color. Okay, so in this tutorial we will do it. So go to the admin dashboard. You have to ensure that already you have installed and activated the WooCommerce plugin. Already I have done it. So in left side you can see it shows WooCommerce and product. So in this tutorial we are going to add a guru product. That's why hover over on products and click on add new product. Add a new product name. You have to give the product name here. My product name is a liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Then the product description. Already I have written the product description with ChatGPT. So this is the product description. Just copy and paste here. Okay, scroll down. Then product data. This is the very important settings for the group product. Just click this down arrow, then it will open a drop down. You have to select group product from here. So click here, group product. Then you can see the price field has been removed from here and it's perfect. Scroll down, then the product short description. If you want, then you can give it, like I want to give it again. Now scroll up, and from the right side you can see product image. You have to give the product image from here. So set product image, click over here. If you select the media library, then you can choose image from here. Actually I want to upload image from my computer, so click on upload files, then select files. This is the product image. So very fast I want to give coral red this image. Select and open. From the right side bottom, set product image. Then the product category. If already you added the product category, then you can select from here, or you can add new category from here. So click over here, add new category. I want to give like lipstick. Liquid lipstick, and click over here, add new category. Okay, now finally publish it. Okay, now we have to add more product. That's why we want to add guru product. So again, add new product. Then the product name, like I want to give, again go to the ChatGPT, pink orchid. This is my product name, another product. So give here. Then the product description, I want to give, this is the product description. Okay, again scroll down. This is the product description. Okay, then the product data. You have to select from here simple product. Very fast we have selected the guru product, but in this case you have to select simple product. Okay, then the regular price I can give like $50. Then the other settings, if you want to know about the other settings, then you can check my YouTube channel. I have added lots of tutorial on it. Okay, right now just I want to show how to add guru product. So regular price, and then again scroll down, and product short description. I want to give this short description here. Then scroll up. from the right side, which is very important. You can see this is the catalog visibility. Click edit and you have to give here hidden. You have to select hidden. Okay, then okay, scroll down, then the product image. Again in same way you can add image from here. So click over here, set product image and upload files, select files. This is the pink orchid. Okay, set product image, scroll down and select category from here. Yes, this is the liquid lipstick. Okay, scroll up and publish it. You have to ensure it the catalog visibility will be hidden. Okay, so again add another new product. Give the product name, like I want to give, in this case the product name is peach blush. Okay, this is the second product, peach blush. Give here, then the description, just scroll down, then this is the product description. Okay, then the product, the data, you have to select simple product, then price I want to give, like it will be 50. Okay, then the short description here, and again you have to click here catalog visibility, edit and select hidden. Always it will be hidden for the group product. Then okay, product image, set product image, upload. Okay, this is the peach blush. This is my product image. Open, set product image, scroll down and select the category, finally publish it. Okay, add another product. So again click over here, add new product, and I want to give this product name will be deep plum. Deep plum, this is the product. Then the description, simple product, then the give price $50, and this is the description. Scroll up and again you have to give it hidden. Okay, then the select set product image, upload files, select file. Okay, this is the deep plum. Okay, and open it. Set product image from the right side bottom and select category, and finally publish it. So in this way you can add more product if you want to add the same group. Okay, so already I have added 4 product. Then click all products. Very first I have added this product, liquid lipstick, and then this is, it was the group product, and later I have added 3 product where I have selected as a simple product but visibility is hidden. Okay, now I have to edit the very first or parent product which I have selected as a group product. So edit this product, just scroll down, then the product data, you can see a product grouped product selected and it's perfect. Now navigate to this link, this tab linked product, then you have to select from here. So I have added 3 product, again this pink orchid, so you have to select from here. This is the pink orchid, then the another product is, okay, then check it, like peach blush. Okay, this is the product. Another one is deep plum. Okay, this 3 product and its visibility was hidden. Okay, so you have to select here. So if you want, then you can select the upsell, but it's not mandatory. Okay, then again scroll up and finally update it. The product is updated. Now let's check how does it looks. So click and open up this product URL. Yes, you can see the products are showing perfectly. Actually the product name is large, that's why it shows like this way. So we can short this product title. So again, if you want, go to the edit product. Okay, just quick edit and give the just simple, this is the div form updated. And then another on same way you can just give the product name, updated, and refresh the page. Yes, you can see now it looks much better. So in this way you can add a group product in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching the video. Already I have added lots of tutorial in WooCommerce, so if you want then you can check my YouTube channel and please subscribe my channel as well.